क्या आप लोग एआई यूज़ कर रहे हैं अभी आपके प्रोजेक्ट के अंदर?
Yes, like for coding, we use Copilot.
कभी ऐसा हुआ डेटा जब काम करते-करते अरे यार ये तो मेरे को समझ में नहीं आ रहा अब क्या करना है? उस सिचुएशन में आपने क्या किया?
The first go-to thing is ChatGPT.
वी वांट टू सजेस्ट टू आवर फ्रेशर्स कि भाई डेटा इंजीनियर में अगर जाना है तो कौन से क्लाउड को टच करना है?
I think if you are starting right now, you can go for Azure because I think Azure has lot of services.
करंटली लोग डेटा इंजीनियरिंग में क्या मांग रहे हैं मार्केट के अंदर? कम्युनिकेशन कितना इंपॉर्टेंट है? क्या लगता है आपको डेटा इंजीनियरिंग में पैसा मिलता है? कितना मिलता है? अच्छा मिलता है? काम चल जाता है? Hi everyone, my name is Ankush. I am CEO and founder of Learnomed Technologies. Today along with me Pooja is there. Pooja is working as a data engineer. Pooja का जो IT का experience है, she is working with IT from last 4.5 years and mechanical engineer से इन्होंने अपना career data engineering में start किया. So again, thank you so much for being here.
Thank you so much for having me here. Thank you so
Okay.
much for calling.
पूजा मुझे एक बात पूछनी थी कि आपका ओवरऑल जर्नी कैसा रहा मतलब आपने कौन सा एजुकेशन लिया क्या कैसे आप डेटा इंजीनियर बने
When I was doing my engineering, right, we do have extracurricular activity like
ठीक है
जैसे रोबो रेस होता है या फिर मेगा आईटीवी चैंपियनशिप्स होते हैं मैंने पार्टिसिपेट किया था
अच्छा
So when we were doing this robo race thing, right? So we do have that arena thing, and we have to train our robot to work as per that arena.
ठीक है
So for that we have done programming. So as a mechanical engineer, we were not so much aware about the programming. It was very new to us. Okay, wow, we are writing some lines,
हाँ
and that robot is performing as per our needs. So that was very much fascinating for me at that time. So I just got my interest into that programming thing, automation thing.
तो आपने मैकेनिकल में कभी ट्राई किया ही नहीं क्या
No, actually, it was my dream to go for Germany to complete post
अच्छा
graduation.
एमएस
But
वगैरह करने के लिए
yes. So, but later I found my interest here in data and coding this thing. So I thought that let's explore this opportunity. So yeah, I didn't try more things into the mechanical, but I can say one thing in the data, right? I can say the base is math. In mechanical, if we see the syllabus, mathematics is very important. Like
करेक्ट
M1, M2, M3. A lot of people know about that because a lot of backlog come into the M2, M3 only because it's
हाँ
very tough.
मेरा भी आया था एम बनाया
So as a mechanical we are very pro in maths, right? So statistic, probability, and I think that is what a core of machine learning, deep learning. It's not like just the algorithm, right?
Okay.
How we train our model, how we manage the parameters of it,
Correct.
how we define the neuron, this thing. So for that we require the maths, right?
Mathematics.
Statistic, probability, and I think when I gone through that syllabus, I found that little hybrid model like mathematics plus coding. So I was very good at the maths, so I thought I can just go for this, and I just need to explore more on the coding part. So that's how I got into this data science thing.
तो मैं जब आपका प्रोफाइल देख रहा था लाइक यू आर हैविंग अराउंड 4.5 इयर्स ऑफ एक्सपीरियंस
Yes.
आपने 3 अलग-अलग कंपनी में काम किया
Yes.
यू आई थिंक
Yes.
आई थिंक यू वर्क विद एसेंचर सीजीआर
Accenture, CGI,
एंड द
and
मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग इज नाउ यू आर वर्किंग
now
जॉन
John
डियर
Deere. Yes.
तो क्या लगा आपको मतलब 3 अलग-अलग जगह पे जो आपका रोल्स एंड रिस्पांसिबिलिटी है वो कैसा है
The roles and responsibilities for the data engineer is almost same. I can say the projects are different, use cases are different. The core thing is we have a data, whether it is telecom, whether it is banking, but it's how we read the data, how we extract, how we are able to extract the information from that data is very much important as a data engineer.
ओके
Right. So that is, I think, basic roles and responsibility for the data engineer. Like it can be structured, unstructured, anything it should be, and you should be passionate about it. Like you should not be
Okay.
like, okay, we have to, this is the confirm pattern that okay we will get row and column when we have to write the SQL. No, we should be innovative, we should be interesting to go dig into that data and extract the information.
कभी ऐसा हुआ डेटा जब काम करते-करते अरे यार ये तो मेरे को समझ में नहीं आ रहा अब क्या करना है उस सिचुएशन में आपने क्या किया
The first go-to thing is ChatGPT.
अभी
No,
वो सब लोग कर रहे हैं
yeah, but no, but it's like it's a lot of time it happened, right?
Right.
That we have data and we don't know how to deal with it. So sometimes we can go to our senior people or maybe a team lead. We can discuss there, go through the lot. Sometimes it happens that we have to go to the lot of documentation also
Correct.
to understand like why this is not working, why we are not able. It's sometimes it's just a semicolon or something, and we are not able to write the code correctly to extract that, and it's
Right.
failing again and again. It's very much irritating. Or sometimes, you know, we are trying to build one data set, and that build is kept on running and running and running. So a lot of time what happens when such situation occur, we have to be more active,
Okay.
right? We have to learn more about it. If for example, I would like to give one example, like, you know, we were trying to create one report, and there were multiple union and joins were there. So while creating the SQL, we were sure that it will work, and we were so confident, and we have kept it on running. And in the evening we just logged out, and in the morning we checked that, oh my god, it was running for whole night, and it
अच्छा.
cost us $4.5K for that one particular build, because the compute was so huge. So
Escalation था.
escalation. Yes, but this is but from there also it was the learning that, you know, it's not, we just sometimes what we do, we just take it for granted that okay, we have given this data and we have just to join, but we don't check the thorough things, you know. For that we required deeper knowledge that
Correct.
how to use a join perfectly, what should be the primary key, how we can optimize it. There are a lot of things in Sparks, right?
Now again the same thing. क्या आप लोग AI यूज कर रहे हैं अभी आपके प्रोजेक्ट के अंदर?
Yes, like for coding, we use Copilot.
Okay.
Mostly Chat GPT, because Copilot is more
Convenient, उसका integration
convenient
अच्छे से
for
हो
code,
जाता है.
yeah, and it give more accurate result. So even the habit is now, like if we are stucking somewhere, we are getting error, we are just going to, you know, please help us, okay, check what is wrong, and it is telling that okay, this is the syntax. Or sometime in, you know, even a fresher people, they are using that Copilot so efficiently that if even I remember one scenario, one fresher was there, he don't know the Node.js, but he, with the help of that AI tool, he is able to build the app.
अच्छा.
So bit of knowledge, core knowledge, plus the AI things can, you know, create new ideas like
So
that.
basically आपका कहना है कि अगर आपके पास में अच्छे से प्रॉम्प्टिंग आता है
Prompting आना चाहिए,
तो
yes, correct.
बेसिकली आपको कोडिंग का ज़्यादा इन डेप्थ नॉलेज होने की भी ज़रूरत नहीं है.
Yes, yes. Like you should understand the basic. At least if you're getting there,
Correct.
you should be at least able to understand that what it is telling.
Correct,
Right.
correct.
But yes, it should not, like you should know each and every line you should understand. And now AI is there to help us to understand the code.
करेक्ट.
Yes.
ये डेटा इंजीनियरिंग में जब आप काम कर रहे हो तो अभी आपके पास में कौन से टूल्स टेक्नोलॉजीज आप यूज कर रहे हो अपने प्रोजेक्ट के अंदर?
So currently I'm working on a migration project. We have HANA, like SAP data.
SAP HANA.
SAP. So we are migrating that data to a database, like AWS. So we are moving that, and we are using Palantir Foundry. Palantir Foundry, I'm not sure if a lot of people know.
Even I
about
don't know.
Yeah, yeah. So it's a platform where we can do a lot of multiple services we can do at the same time. Like, you know, we can create the data connection, we can pull the data there, we can write the code there, we can ingest the data from there.
Okay.
So we have multiple data sources, right? We have NCCA, SAP. So 3 data sources we have. So we have collected that. We try to make the centralized database, right?
Okay.
So we have kept that data into the, like, connection into the Palantir Foundry, and from there we are extracting the tables, and we are writing our codes, like codes as in we are trying to create the schemas, right? We are
Okay.
trying to create the tables. So that creation PySpark codes we are writing in the Palantir Foundry.
Okay.
And from Palantir itself, we are trying to load the data into the EDL.
What cloud you guys are using for data engineer? AWS.
Yes.
So you guys are not using the services of AWS like AWS Glue and बाकी services है?
In previous Accenture I have used, like here also maybe we are using, but I am more aware about EC2, but other I have not touched it yet.
अच्छा.
Yeah, but in Accenture when I was working, so yeah, there I have used Glue, Lambda, S3.
Okay.
So Redshift for putting the data, not work more on it, but yes, AWS Glue I have explored it more, because I found that service is very much it has a lot of things to work with, mostly when we have unstructured data,
Okay.
deal with it. It's very much it has a lot of good functions to
अच्छा.
work with, and our data was a JSON data,
Okay.
right? So we have created a glue jobs, glue scripts, spicepack scripts in glue, and we were creating the reports.
So you guys are like when we talked about the database now, data engineering, multiple clouds आते हैं, मतलब GCP आ रहा है, Azure भी आ रहा
Yes,
है,
yes.
AWS भी आ रहा है. अब आपने AWS पे ज़्यादा काम किया.
AWS पे ज़्यादा काम किया है, but I think like as I have done 3 switches, right?
Hmm.
So what I have observed is Azure is go for skill, I
He's a
can
king
say.
of data engineer.
Yes. Like in when I was learning, I was just analyzed what I should do, and then I thought AWS is a good one. But it's not like AWS is bad one. It's really, it has amazing services. And anyway, if you go for GCP, AWS, and Azure also, right? It's nothing like it has that and that doesn't have. It's just naming difference, right?
Correct.
If it is a data proc, it is a EMR. So it just, you just need to understand that what, if it is a S3, it is a object storage thing, right?
So if you want to suggest to our freshers कि भाई data engineer में अगर जाना है तो कौन से क्लाउड को टच करना है?
I think if you are starting right now, you can go for Azure, because I think Azure has lot of services. Like
Correct.
for one particular use case, it will give you multiple services as compared to AWS and GCP, and that is in lot of scope and training, I can say.
Correct.
So Azure,
सबसे
yes.
इम्पोर्टेंट उनके पास में Databricks भी है ना अभी.
Databricks, yes. But I found Databricks is more it's more useful tool. We are also using, right? So creating the Spark jobs, SQL jobs, multiple language we can do, and I think they have create the tool so well.
Correct.
So if we are getting multiple things at one platform, why we will not grow, right? They are just providing infrastructure, and we are just they
You-
will take care in the background. We just have to write our codes. So why not go for? And Databricks is definitely a go for skill for data engineer. But I would say these tools will kept on changing.
Correct.
Like when I was doing, AWS was so popular, right? But now I'll definitely suggest Azure. Maybe after 1-2 years it will be something different. But what for data engineer, what I feel is a skill fresher should have is basic skill is SQL and PySpark, or maybe I would say Python.
Okay.
PySpark Python is not having much difference. It's like syntax difference, but yes, Spark also I can say that you should have a good understanding and good grasp of the coding, that you should be able to understand the SQL. You should be able to write a code for SQL and PySpark. So any tool may come and go. You just need to able to use it well.
आप जब डेटा इंजीनियरिंग में काम करते हो अपने आप को इम्प्रूव करने के लिए आप क्या कर रहे हो? आउट ऑफ द बॉक्स ऐसा कुछ कर रहे हो या फिर
Yes.
ठीक है और रेगुलर काम में बहुत कुछ लर्निंग हो रहा है?
नहीं, रेगुलर काम में ऑब्वियसली वो तो होता ही है, बट इवन एक्स्ट्रा करने के लिए भी कंपनी खुद सपोर्ट करती है, राइट?
ओके.
फॉर एग्जांपल अभी मैं डेटाब्रिक्स सर्टिफिकेशन के लिए प्रिपरेशन कर रही हूँ, बिकॉज इवन कंपनी बूस्ट confidence to the employee that if you are giving the certification for AWS, whether it is Databricks, they sponsor that, right? So that thing currently, if you're asking me, I am doing the certification for Databricks, and later I'm planning for AWS also. So yes, that thing I'm doing, because ultimately it helped me, as I have given example, right? If we are running a query and boom, 4.5k. So if we have gone through this certification, and theory is also very much required. We lot of time ignore that thing. Okay, it's not important theory, but it's very much important to understand the reasoning behind it.
Correct.
Okay, this why, if we are using repartition, cold sec, why cold sec, why repartition, what is the use case, in what scenario we can use, how it will impact. So that thing will understand when we go through the theory. That is
Correct.
also important, right?
करंटली लोग डेटा इंजीनियरिंग में क्या मांग रहे हैं मार्केट के अंदर?
Currently, I would say in 3 parts. Okay, it's not like, okay, data engineer, Python, you are done. No, it's a complete package now.
बराबर है, पाइथन आपको आना
The
चाहिए।
trend is gone, right? So you should know one cloud,
हम्म।
one database, and one code language, right?
अभी एआई के बारे में कोई डिस्कशन चल रहा है कंपनी के अंदर कि यार
A
ये
lot.
कैसा कुछ करना है?
Even we have lot of mm, training session going on
ओके।
for Gen AI. Even our manager is kept on tracking this thing, that how much AI we have used. If you have not used GitHub Copilot, we have subscriptions, right? So we have paid subscriptions. They reach out to us like, have you used it? How much you have used it? So
Okay.
they are so much active in these things that, are you using it? Why? If you're not, why?
ओके।
So this much is AI craze is going on, because obviously it's helping us write the code efficiently.
सो बेसिकली कंपनी बोल रही है कि आप एआई का स्टार्ट करो,
Yes.
मे बी नेक्स्ट 3-4 ईयर्स या फिर मे बी 5
Even I
ईयर्स
can
में।
say 1-2 years only.
अच्छा।
That is growing so fast, so fast. Gen AI is there.
हम्म।
So and it's a good thing, I think.
एक पर्सनल क्वेश्चन पूछता हूँ, मे बी यू विल लाइक इट।
Yeah.
सब लोग काम कर रहे हैं पैसे के लिए,
Yes.
क्या लगता है आपको डेटा इंजीनियरिंग में पैसा मिलता है? कितना मिलता है? अच्छा मिलता है? काम चल जाता है?
I think data engineering पैसा तो बहुत है.
ये कौन बता रहा है जो जॉन डीरे में काम
नहीं, पैसा as in if you have skill you have money, but yes, it's not a myth. In AI, in data, we do have money. कब तक रहेगा पता नहीं.
लेकिन अब खा लो जितना खा सकते हो।
जितना खा सकते हो अभी आप खा सकते हो, but it's only one thing, that how much you are passionate about it. I would again say same thing, because you should have that love for that data.
पूजा, आप जब इंटरव्यू प्रिपरेशन कर रहे थे तो आपने डेटा स्ट्रक्चर के बारे में सोचा?
When I thought that I want to go for product based, uh, it is like they ask the DSA question, right? The primary
अच्छा।
test is coding test, and even if you go for the normal interviews also, so in a video call also they will ask you to write the code.
ओके।
That is what my experience is. I have done like interview for 10 to 15 companies so far, and for data engineering I remember so well that they have asked me to write the code in SQL and PySpark. So that is a still mandatory thing. I still feel lot of people say that we don't require DSA for data engineering or data science. It could be their own opinion, but what my experience is, they still ask, because we have to write the queries, right?
ओके।
When a customer when a client coming to you and they are asking you that they want maybe predict sale estimation or something like that, this is the 1 month or 6 month of data, you have to write the code, right, at that time. So ChatGPT can give you, but you need to you have to modify as per your use
Correct.
case. So for that you need to understand how to write the code efficiently,
करेक्ट।
right? So for that I think DSA is very much important.
कम्युनिकेशन कितना इम्पोर्टेंट है?
Communication is important, but if we are technical person, I think as a data engineer I would say it is not that much important, because you are more into prepping the data.
मुझे एक लास्ट क्वेश्चन पूछना था, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, पैकेज नहीं पूछूंगा। मुझे ये पूछना था कि हमारे जो सब्सक्राइबर है, हमारे फॉलोअर्स है, कुछ स्टूडेंट्स हैं, डू यू हैव एनी फ्यू सजेशंस फॉर दोज पीपल हु वांट टू स्टार्ट द करियर इनटू द डेटा इंजीनियर?
I would just say, when you're so stuck, you just need to find one mentor. Go to him, ask him that take the roadmap. Maybe everyone has caliber, right? If you have caliber, that's why you are here, and there is nothing that you can't learn. Right? You can't learn. There is nothing like that. That's what I feel. It's just that someone has to do. Maybe one time he has to read and he is able to understand it, and you have to read it twice. That's it.
सो अगेन काफ़ी मतलब मोटिवेटिव मतलब आज का पॉडकास्ट था, स्पेशली जिनको अपना करियर डेटा में स्टार्ट करना है। एंड मुझे पता है आपने छुट्टी ली है एंड यहाँ पे आप आए हो। सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट चीज़ जो इन्होंने आज के पूरे पॉडकास्ट में बोली है, अगर किसी को आपको मेंटर चाहिए तो आप लर्नोमेट को रीच आउट कर सकते हैं।
Yes. No, it's very much important to have one mentor actually, because at some point you are very much stuck to where
Correct.
to go for help,
राइट।
right? So it save your time and it gives you a proper direction.
इसीलिए हमने इतने करोड़ों रुपए खर्च करके इंस्टीट्यूट बनाया है।
Yes.
एंड होपफुली अगेन थैंक यू सो मच फॉर बीइंग हियर।
Thank
एंड अगर आपके कुछ क्वेश्चंस हो गए, क्वेरीज हो गए, तो आप कमेंट सेक्शन में भी डाल सकते हो. नेक्स्ट पॉडकास्ट जब भी डेटा इंजीनियरिंग का रहेगा उसमें मैं ये सारे क्वेश्चंस, क्योंकि आज के भी क्वेश्चंस मैंने आपके जो फीडबैक आए थे वहाँ से लिए हैं. होपफुली आपको काफ़ी अच्छा लगा. अगर आप कुछ भी अगर क्वेश्चंस है तो आप डालो कमेंट सेक्शन में. एंड नेक्स्ट वाले पॉडकास्ट का आप वेट करिए. Again, if you're looking for training and anything, you can reach out to the Learnerman. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Small gift from our side. Again, thank you so much for sharing your valuable time, knowledge with us. तो आप hopefully आपको अच्छा लगेगा.
Thank you so much.